Okay, here's an easy way to cut up watermelon. You have to cut it in half naturally, and do that with a knife and be safe as you do it. But this is the easy way to cut up watermelon for a group of people instead of cutting it in slices and having all those rinds to deal with. I just get a nice slotted spoon like this, or a regular spoon, it doesn't matter, but a big utensil spoon, not a eating spoon, because you'll bend it. And I get chunks like this, and I just put them in a big bowl. And if I want to go back later on and cut them into a little bit smaller pieces, I can. But this is the easy way to do it. I mean, you don't have to worry about the knife slipping. See that? Nice big chunks. And if somebody wants a big chunk in a bowl, they can eat it with a fork. See that? What could be easier? Melon balling, not my speed. It's too slow. One little tiny melon ball at a time. This, I just pick it up and voila. See that? This is speed cutting watermelon. And that, and look at that. There's some nice juice in there. I'm going to pour it into a little glass. I hope I make it into the glass, because usually I over pour. And look at that. Salud. Nothing better.